ngala kum tu ngala la ngamla ra marba ula bat ngari ka boshin rang em ngamla ra ban ki
ha janmi jong arpu pratrik unaitung arajar arphunriu kawai ka samla pulelo ka puli ha ka 9 semester ha jing sinran lang ka hinyotrep National Youth Front East Khasi Hills klalej ban ujor e jahar Sadar Police Station persha yu senior lawyer ubla tip kerteng nu Hazarika nak jila Assam kate ka samla pulelo kabla kno ba kala sha jong ti hote senior lawyer ubla lej internship kate ka jingja kala jia hakapor kumbalai khan riwe e janmiet haba krench kilat pathai khubor kani ka samla ka pintip baute lawyer uba ka lejle ya ka internship ula khot ya ka shawai pat kamra ban shim ki atli ki kon bat hakata kapor kala dringkat bat u ban shim ki kon bat andara dep shim ki kon ubur ya ka nadien bat hakata kapor kala ong ba ula bat ya ka na kinriang bat ulakta ki binta ka met jongka shushu na kalyang ke HNYF kala ong bakum ka seng kanum ailat ikum kini ki jingjia le klamakor bat ka seng ka dawai ka aimen pinchitom yau niu brio na lor kata ka seng kala dawaru na ka chamber association ban pindu no e kalai senjong
I was an intern in his chamber of Shillong Law College. And then I went for internship. I was at 3:16 p.m. He was calling me to another room. I don't know that room. I never knew about that room. He was calling me to take two court case books, and I went there with him. So I took two of them. He was grabbing me tightly, and I couldn't move. I struggled to move. Forcefully, he grabbed me, and then after that, I took that book and he released me. I took and gave it to two of my friends. Like, give it two of your friends those books, and then you can take another book. So I went again to took two to the book, and then I don't know, unknowingly he followed me from the back, and then he grabbed me from the side, and then after that he squeezed my woman parts. And then he offered me money, and after that, when he offered me money, I was like, "No, sir, I don't want this money." And he kept insisting, he kept on offering that money multiple times, and he kept it on my blazer, and I was taking it out. I said, "No, sir," and he kept on giving me that money. And after that, I took that book. I went out from that other room, and then I kept that money inside the sofa, and I was really scared and confused. I don't know what to do. So and then after that, he left the room. No, I mean. In that time, I was telling sir I want to go home because I'm feeling sleepy. He was like, "You can sleep in that room." And then after that, he left that room. The room means the chamber. And then after that, I was crying to my friend. I was telling them, "Let's go home," because I'm so scared and confused. And then we left the room, and there was someone inside who's typing. So I was crying.
Kano kata ka pisa ka bayai pigri kano
Sanspa.
okay ke habri buka kani ga kerja kana buji try
Like Andrew PM.
kamu kata ka room ka ba si ka ba kata ka chamber ba kata ka room si ka ba phai pa sim pi ki kot ka ya dan ke jan no
Kia Chan. Kadon kaya Chan dekat tu. Kabasyong uhang tu dekat don hadin jong kabasyong dong u.
okay
Lah kak dekat kortin.
ya tak pot pi don bat no kata ka pot dia
Madon marway bang alit ta sa room. Ngasih simkot marway. Te ubud yang na.
pion PDB internship tikabut la kanu banai plus tang internship
Ngasdang last week Tuesday.
okay kamu kani ke jingja kali ka pa lengkong bekerja pi ne kamu
Ano kong kerja yang na.
di aku tak ka pot kai ka le seu don ke ke ba pen pau le bu kren ai pi
Uong ba shim kana pisa. Uwan hagising Saturday. Uong ba police come on Saturday.
batai ai chaka wan ai ta
Yang batai tarai ubud ban wan sambar jong weekend.
okay
Tapi dia kata bisa buat bisa spa orang terlalu biang kata.
Terwabit ngaong MM terwabit.
Tahu beri ubah pi kena tu larang ba ne kena kan.
Larang ba.
Kan sudah mina.
Tarai sanpo. Rupusan.
kabru ni dia kasi ne
Deu Asamis. Hazarika.
hai gerin kan ka chamba
Kadon Hakiting Road.
Matai buat diam kan.
ti kumno phi poi ban de internship kan ne kumno mano ba lam di ai
ki parlo changa ki itu ya te nga ong bet nga le internship bat ki ong pi ko bal internship te ki ong bet la itu kinya kan sala internship tengah wan ha kesing Tuesday.
Thì mình ta pila na tu cái bộ piwan le ayung na sadar ta. Hanya sadar piwan le ayung ta sadar.
Nga wan le FIR.
IFR.
Kena kalian GP kum kawai le si ka victim ka blangat ba kam ta ka chincha ke ka ba pi kan tu ka por plate habadi ba ka hanya habadi ba ka banta.
When it comes to this, like to all the students who go for internship, they should be careful to choose their advocate carefully, because a lot of advocate, we don't know what will happen. Like they always molest or try to rape the interns, so we should be careful. We urge the police to take a strict action against this, and then also like protect the women, so that especially for the students who go for internships, that they will not get molested like this. Ngala kum tu ngala la ngamla ra marba ula bat ngata ka abortion rang ngamla ra ban ki.
Macam mana? Agak jini orang jumpa jangan menasi, bah ini we kena kentai jangi kena samla kentai jangi bela agen internship, saya moles atau bar jala, beriu zarikan beriu Asamis, beriu Muslim. Kena kalian jangi nilai osno, ngiwan be, jenis pok keting road, ke office kadang teh ke chamber juga kadang pok keting road. Tidak kajing shem kia jongi moi kintai kasih beli bisa lihat man kipor gija gini ke eru nomor ngasutanat bini kena kintai jongi kasih bi wan cakman ban ai ya kata ka komplain nomor buan hi negini ki baca kum ni buan hi ki bisu ngam buan hi ki bas ngam ki ba long ki ba kimi cakmat teh tidak kajing ai men sim jongi ngi dap ka jingkeman ba ngio kum ini kintai ba wan cakman nomor buan ki kintai hi bangai eh pop pibi hi buan ki bang lai ki ada ban you try ki ada you try ki ong bude bos bude tahu bos yang ki nomor ngi la experience kini te ki jaro ki ngi sai FIR kala mangi ten rei bada mentang ingi ini ki thai jungi bi wan chakmat daga jing slur musim jungi wan report ngi daga musim bo bakyang ngi wan kolo banya senran ni nilai lek nang te po yu hantar udeu senior bukit te nakaliang jungi ya ka ngi kentu ya ka bar session ru bahkan take action bahkan suspend ya ka license ke jongu nakaliang jongi ke se semua te bat nganget bahkan nakaliang jong police department tu bahkan take action kanum mde ba menta kesngin kem kum dia nyaman rah ni la shine line no kami hab nomor bun hi biki ja kum tan da ja khantam khla ja lei benda ai ki complain ki kloi ban wan Dari dajang hi kasih benda kasempor bahapan you, bat ke kinbu ingi hajil, bat ngapai benda dajang ki kelajai benda hajil kumpoi sisni kelalai. Long ngim sungai hab kata benda kalian police department rungi kintu jor bahkan take action, bahkan set union, bahkan set along union beriau, bat ngakin tu jor ru nakalian jong kabar station ru bahkan sim action. Strict action union kelajai, pen dua noi kelaisan ke jongu. Ngimde banting, ngide banyak cakmat. Ngi dingin kalian geseng te da kumlo ngi kintu bahkan kalian jokaan bahkan strict action ini upar jala bolale ni nak kai jungi. Em ki bang la YouTube la bun kini ki bang layo kini ki jat belong kumni tambah long kimi cakmat. Te dai tang ini hi bagi mi cakmat ban isno tenat isno dap judgment ba kena kai jungi mi cakmat namam judan. Da jagum kini ki kisngap jar ting ki asung thu jungmun bat hang tu bot try dekhar ngi nakal yang kaseng ngi pendem jur union tat usno bau deu senior advocate ula ban le kat bau man ten rengi nakal yang kesan nakal yang jong kaseng ngi maila dale leru bagen jakum kini ki jajingja hakan negeri ke jai bendio jongi dala jakum ni habi ban mi sekmat ngi maila yeno ru
Kanong ba bernihan kadon ha uput usam ha pedeng ka Assam bat Meghalaya ka we ka them artli ki jala ha ka benta jong ka Assam dan kumba ar phautli ki karkhana red category bat ka Central Pollution Control Board kalapin bana ya ka te ka than kum ka jaka ka belong critically pollutant hang ta ka don ka air quality monitor ka bala pen pau ya ka khubor bala pau perthai ha ka benta jong ka Meghalaya pan don tang santali ki karkhana red category ka jo ka le air ka baya benta lang hinrai ka jingmi cha bo ka ya pher de na ka ta ka daw kini artli ki jala menta ki dang pen khre banthaw ya ka joint action plan